Well, hello. Let's go and take a look at my composting bin and see what's going on in there. Oh, it's got a lot of bugs in it. It's breaking down, which is good. There's grass in there, there's shredded paper, there's food scraps. I'm going to turn it and make sure that it's hot just to get the bacteria to keep thriving. If you don't turn it, it'll be anaerobic, and you don't want that because it won't break down fast and it'll cause it to smell. So let me turn it real quick and see if there's any heat coming out of it. It's hard to tell, but there is smoke in there. And the more frequently you turn it, the quicker this stuff will break down to make compost for you. So if you haven't already, you're not into worms, go and start a composting bin. So that way you can help save the environment. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment in the box below. You guys have a great day.